For Friday, July 28, 2023. Severe thunderstorm watch issued. Valid from 7:30 p.m. until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Initial supercells appear to be growing upscale near the Mississippi River and should accelerate east-southeast across much of northern Illinois tonight, posing a risk for isolated large hail events up to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Scattered damaging winds likely with isolated significant gusts up to 80 miles per hour along with a tornado or two will also be possible. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather updates.